Hey guys, welcome to another video makeup tutorial. Hey girl, Ashara, of course. Yeah. So this is anime inspired based on my hat. Yeah, if anybody know what character it is that I'm portraying, let me know in the comment section. So this video is going to show you how it is that I achieved this look. Of course, yes. I mean, I really like this look. It's subtle. It's not exaggerating or anything like this, but you can definitely see that it's a character, right? So this video is all about that, how I achieve this look. So I'm not going to hold you. I'm not going to, do all of that. I'm actually on my way to a anime Valentine's Day convention. So today, this day that I'm doing this video is the 15th of February. So by the time you see this, it would have already gone. But you don't have to worry yourself. I'm going to do a little vlog while I'm there to bring the vibes to you, my people. Yes, so you can enjoy the day, even though it's past, with me. So, without further ado, we will be going right into it. Bye. shape of their nose bridge is blue, and but I added a very light concealer in order to get the blue more pigmented. So all I'm doing here is really just shaping it up properly, cleaning it up properly to get it to how I wanted it to look. I have no idea, guys, why the camera is shifting like this, so apologies for that if it's causing any sort of confusion.
Special about your money, you got me, you got me, you got me feeling fine. So just say the words, cause you know what it means to me, babe. When you got me, you got me, you got me feeling
Alright guys, so I'm adding blush. This is alright, so this is almost like a liquid kind of blush, so that I'm adding that on my cheek area, under the eyes a little, and over on the nose bridge. The reason why I'm doing that is, alright, this character has many different facial expressions, I would add, but his favorites are the ones that he does often is when he's blushing. So I wanted to have that sort of look. That's why I added the blush. And now I'm going in with some mascara. Again, adding some dimension to the face. And then I'm going to go ahead with some powder blush as well. So I'm pretty much doing some finishes look here. I'm lining the lips with my lip liner, and then going to add a lip gloss. And here comes the powder blush. So I'm just baking that in right now. I really love this look, like really love this look. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for joining. I'll see you next time. Bye.